Alam mo bang pwede ka mag-time travel sa Thailand by riding this train that was built since World War II? So here's how to go to Kanchanaburi. Pwede mong ma-experience to sa halagang 100 baht one way per person. Sulit naman for this kind of view and it's giving the countryside of Thailand. This train was built since 1942. Imagine up to this day operational pa rin siya, but the original railway has been closed, but the part of Thonburi Station to Namtok is still functional. So makaila kami from Thonburi Station. Hindi pala air condition yung pinili namin since gusto namin matry yung parang local kami dito sa Thailand. First station, alam mo wala ka talaga sa syudad kasi ramdam mo yung slow living ng mga locals. Here's one of the highlight for this trip. This is the River Kwai. Originally gawa sa wooden bridge daw to, but now they replaced by steel and concrete bridge. For safety na rin since naging tourist spot na siya. Today, it remains a major tourist attraction, but those who built it, the bridge is a symbol of pain, suffering, and death. Nandito na tayo sa exciting part. Yung main attraction of this route is crossing the Tam Crusade wooden viaduct. Ang ganda ng view from the cliff ng Quay Noi River, pero mas kilala sa tawag na Death Railway Station kasi this is one of the most classic historically significant destination in Thailand. Pagdating dito, pinabadalan talaga nila yung pag-andar para ma-enjoy din ng mga turista yung once in a lifetime experience scenic view dito. And not gonna lie, para talaga kami nag-time travel and this is one for the books experience. May konting goosebump din habang dahan-dahan namin binabaybay ito. Imagine more than 90,000 Asian civilians died on the railway. If you do a research about this place, you will get what we mean. May schedule sila for daily trips, so make sure to check their schedule. Screenshot nyo na lang guys for reference. The earliest ride from the Thonburi to Namtok is 7:45 a.m. so the earlier the better. 2 to 3 hours ng biyahe going to River Kwai Station at 4 to 5 hours naman if hanggang Namtok Station which is the last station. So if you're visiting Thailand soon and you want to visit historical places, add Kanchanaburi on your list. This is worth the biyahe. So save this for your reference and follow for more recos.